Want that?
You help me a little bit.
Yeah.
I need those Legos, they just fell off. You're getting taller than me. You're getting taller than everyone. Oh my gosh. I think it's going to be taller than everybody. It's getting taller than me.
Lex, are you helping Sophie? Are you helping Sophie build the tower?
Look how tall it got. It got so tall, Daddy.
Is that a pen? Sorry, babe. That has to hold it. Thank you. Come here, babe. You wanna put the? Can we give this to Sophie? So she can put it at the top. Thank you, Lex. Whoa, Bumble! She's gonna go get it. Thanks, Lex.
Eek, help.
Whoa, it's stormy.